go, gang? How y'all feeling in this thing? I'm looking real crusty because that's how I'm feeling right now. But guess who pulled up on me? Y'all, he done bought this whole vegan meal. Hold on, let me show you. Well, it's a non-dairy type meal, y'all. He gonna show me his vegan mac. And what else you got for us?
We're gonna have a little broccoli.
Okay.
And we're gonna make these vegan meatballs. You know, we're gonna doctor them up a little bit. Make them taste like real meatballs.
Yeah, and I'm just chilling. I cleaned the whole kitchen, so I'm gonna help him a little bit. And then, oh, look at the little pan.
Oh yeah.
It's a little big one. I didn't know what was going on. It's a little hungry, so. But I ain't talking because look, they got me like cake too.
I can eat that. I got dairy in it.
Well, he ain't gonna eat it, but I ain't gonna eat it because it got dairy. We don't need him fucking in this month, so now.
You know, I actually never had this vegan cheese.
Hopefully that's the one that I thinking. Let me know, y'all, if I'm wrong. This is the one that get in focus. That shreds with, right?
You mean melt?
I mean melt with, right? Yeah, I see. Cause I'm over here trying to read the
Okay,
thing.
so like this is perfect because it's soy free.
Yeah,
I really don't like soy.
cause you need them kids. You need them kids. To my fellas, soy kills them seeds that's coming out y'all to plant them. You hear me? But yeah. We about to get our little hats on, y'all. We gonna be back. Hold on. Yo. Give me. I was just telling him how he the only one who get me out of the goddamn bed in this dang mood I'm in. It's not even our godfather. And that's all you have to do is just, show up. He's showing up and cooking, showing me what he been learning on his little health journey. I'm so proud of him.
But
now he want to be in it.
I wouldn't have been mad. I just would have got back to the bed.
And that's our problem. That's our problem. Like, do we still want to do this? And then both of us be like, no. And the gag is one of us need to not be there. One of us need not to do that.
But I got out the bed today.
He got out the bed, he went to the store, and he came all the way over here. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. But he making it up for because he moving.
Yeah, 6 months.
6 for real. Every time you say it, I don't know why it's like a shock.
Time to go. 6 months.
And I can't even be more happy for you though.
Time to see how Texas will treat me.
I think it should be nice, Texas.
A lot of white people. Wow. But that's DC now.
Yeah, I'm saying, look out. Can't see.
Alright, so what we about to do now is we're gonna make some non-dairy macaroni and cheese. Let me take these glasses off because I see the reflection. Alright, so we're gonna use some yellow noodles, and we're gonna use this brand of vegan cheese. There's no soy in it. And we're gonna use some nutritional yeast and some cashews. And we're gonna season it. We're gonna make a cheese sauce. So the cheese sauce consists of the nutritional yeast, the cashews, with a handful of vegan cheese in it, with the onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, and we're gonna blend it in veggie broth. And that's what gives it like that really, really good taste. So I feel like I'm missing something, but and to pair our macaroni and cheese, we're gonna have some vegan meatballs, and we're gonna have some broccoli as well too. Just some broccoli. We're gonna steam it, and yeah, nice little healthy but hearty dinner.
Okay.
All right.
Have you had baked broccoli?
Baked broccoli? No.
I think it's really
I've never had baked broccoli.
got that little sear to it, a little crunch.
All right, so we're gonna wait till our water to come to a boil. We have it on a medium high right now. And yeah.
Cyber Week is on.
Put salt in my water for the yellow noodles because as they cook, the noodles are absorbing it. That way you don't gotta use salt in your meal for the rest of the meal whatsoever. Because I don't really use soda.
Not the gym.
But yeah.
Not the gym. But drop it. I'm drinking peach tea.
And when I say pinch, I mean a pinch. So typically Typically, I'll use pink Himalayan salt, but we're going to use what's available today. What? Who's that?
I was looking for
Listen, our grandparents use this.
That's the one. That's the real one. That's real salty, which I like. This one I put in the box.
But I put a little bit in my hand like that.
Big ass hands.
Like so, like that. And then you just want to sprinkle that around.
That's it.
Alright. Now, I don't know if everybody does this, but I typically like to soak my cashews. I feel like it makes it a little bit soft and things like that, and it makes the cheese sauce not be as gritty. But I didn't do that this time, but before I make the cheese sauce, we just want to soak it for a little bit in some water. I sound like I'm from DC for real. Water.
In some water real quick.
And we're going to use all these cashews.
All these cashews.
And also, I typically buy the roasted salted cashews, even though I end up rinsing the salt off. But that way, you don't have to add no salt, because people's food be too salty.
Yeah, you don't need all that.
You don't need all that. That's why we got high cholesterol as black people.
Not me though, but yeah, people. You want me to get the secret ingredient?
So, we just gonna set this to the side. Oh, y'all, our water's starting to boil. Well, our oven heating up. So, in the meantime, we're gonna put our vegan meatballs in the oven for about 15-20 minutes because they're technically cooked already. You just want to heat them up a little bit, and then I'll put my special barbecue sauce.
These were supposed to go up in the thing, but now they can't.
What's that?
Supposed to go along that L's holding hands, but they gonna be. You see how these are down here?
Mm-hmm.
This is just a longer string.
Or you want to do it quality?
I don't have to it's called tape no more. I use it all up.
You got thumbtacks?
Not enough. I use it on.
How many is that? Because we love a good thumbtack. So, you know how I have pictures hung up in my house? Thumbtacks.
Yeah, downstairs everything with thumbs out. That's why I don't have a lot.
Let me tell you something. When you move into an apartment, they be wanting to charge you for everything. I'm not putting no holes in no walls, so we gonna put that thumbtack up there and put that picture on there and call it a day.
And it'll still look good. It'll
Still look good and professional, and it's even.
Let me see how many you think you need. Let me see what I can find.
Well, if you have about a good 8, put one on the end, one on the end, one directly in the middle, and then like kind of every other one, it should be fine. All right, so our water is boiling, and we're not gonna use this whole box because we're only making a small pan. When you put elbow noodles in, you want to also stir it immediately.
Oh, you start those.
Because
Cyber
what
Week
I
is
actually
on.
do, I use some of the broth from the noodles and put it inside of the cheese sauce.
Hey, so the flavors already mixed together.
So the flavors
They
are
wait.
already mixed together. So, and just a disclaimer, we did wash our vegetables. We washed our hands before we started touching anything. Just for you health conscious people that think everybody dirty or whatever. But this our kitchen. We don't use gloves or anything like that. Now, we was feeding other people, that's something different. But it's just for us.
So I'm cooking for the family.
So, we're just gonna drain this. See how that salt coming off? Alright, so we're gonna put our cashews in. They
Let me bring him to you. Let me bring him to you.
And it's okay if it's a little residual water, that's fine. I ain't gonna kill you.
You need a water.
And then what we're gonna do is actually put some vegan cheese inside of it. This is the one that melt, right?
It's supposed to.
Okay. We're gonna do that. Alright, that's all we're gonna put in there for that.
Layers.
And nutritional yeast. So this is what gives it that cheesy flavor that we be looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Cheese.
Okay, that's what I'm waiting for.
Now, oh. I don't use measurements. I season with the spirit.
And when the ancestors tell you to stop.
So when they tell me to stop, so you put as much as you like in it. So you put the nutritional yeast in here, like so, like that. Let me see it. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
Okay, give me some cheese.
All right.
It ain't mac and cheese if that thing ain't cheese.
If it ain't cheesy.
That thing need a.
All right, and so we got our cashews, our cheese, our nutritional yeast. That's the main component. All right, and then we're gonna season this baby up. Okay. We're gonna put some garlic powder. All right, that's enough right there, like so, like that. So I love Tabitha Brown.
Exactly.
And then we're gonna do some onion powder. All right, like so, that's enough. We're gonna do a little bit of black pepper. And you don't need a lot of that, but just like so, like that. Just smell it. Smell it. It's starting to smell like cheese.
Oh, nah, it is. Do y'all see it?
And then I'm missing. We're gonna let that blend until we get into the consistency that we want. It's a little loud now. We're gonna put it in the noodles.
The cheese sauce is ready, y'all.
And what I'm also going to do is add a little bit more veggie broth into it. See, we like ours baked, but if you want to, you can heat this up a little bit more and eat it just like this.
Eat it like it's the box mac and cheese.
But we don't do box over
We
here.
don't do box back here.
You want to taste it?
Yes. Spoons, I think, is in the other drawer. That's my thing. I know. Pull up the top one.
Tell me what it is.
Trust me, the Big Apple won't know what it is.
I like this, y'all. I was nervous. Nah.
Anything else in it?
Me personally, I don't think it's leave.
That macaroni and cheese sound.
Oh. Yeah.
That mixed in there.
Yes, sir. Ooh, that stove nice and hot. Yes, sir.
You don't need a lot, because remember, this is not regular cheese, so it don't melt like your regular cheese. But this one is supposed to melt.
Okay.
But we're gonna do what it do, honey.
Do what
Do what it do, baby. Just to let the cheese melt.
Yes, sir. When you crush, it was crunching. Crunching is what I'm trying to say. Yes. That's steam.
You got a nice crisp at the top.
See that brown right there? Y'all see that brown? It's about like y'all don't see it. Alright, before my camera died, let me see what this hitting on, y'all. Ooh, we're gonna start with the mac and cheese, because that's what I've been waiting for. He onto something. I don't know what it is. Yeah. You draw me some. But nah, do your thing. Oh, and I love the crunch part. Even without the cheese not melting on it. They're back all loud. You can't even tell these not even these vegan.
Vegan.
That's crazy. I'm talking some dairy free. Everything vegan though, because the noodles don't have egg in it, which is made in the same air factory. So you know people who real restricted, they would not choose that one. But y'all, that's what I feel. We out. Let's end the Vlogmas. Let a child down. You know black people ain't talking because they munching. Love y'all. Make sure to spread love and receive love. Because it's the cure.
Amen.
Believe.